Then, for example, I guess you are from Netherlands?
Yes.
So you have this wachtwoord.
Yeah.
Have you saw this already in databases?
Mostly in Dutch databases they use password, but sometimes we see wachtwoordjes.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Other questions?
Regarding the bind variables, is there a way to obfuscate them? So, is there any workaround for this? Or regarding the bind variables, is there a way to obfuscate there or a workaround to get rid of this? Because this is a pretty big issue for like PCI
Not that I'm aware of. So normally after 10-15 minutes, these values last in, first out, they are removed from the cache and then they are gone. But for 10-15 minutes, it's visible, this information. And you can also flush the memory, but nobody is doing this because then all the optimization statistics is gone.
What is your recommendation how to store credit card numbers in databases encrypted?
Encrypted, but I would recommend to do the encryption not in the database itself, on the application layer,
okay.
And then save the encrypted string in the database.
All right.
And also avoid the clear text passwords, something like these function calls. So if this function call is done by the application server, then it's not visible here. But it really depends from the architecture of your application, if this is possible or not. And it's not only for credit card information, also if you have company secrets, depending on your business, you should always keep in mind that this is visible in the database memory. And also in trace files. Sometimes if you use trace files, dump files, this information is also available there. So for example, depending on the Oracle event you're using, this is also written to the text file on the operating system level.
But if you don't encrypt it via database, then it's quite complicated if multiple applications access the encrypted data. Where and how to store keys?
Encryption is a complicated topic and there's no perfect solution. So at least you should be aware that this is a potential leak. And it's not a violation of the PCI DSS standard, but data can still leak out. So in the database it's the easiest way, but it's not the safest. Okay. Should we switch directly to Lucas?
Well, I need a couple of minutes to set up my equipment, so...
Okay.
Right, so no more questions. In that case, I would finish the session. Thank you very much, Alexander.